They bullied me in high school, so I bought their company. They laughed at me, shoved me into lockers, and told me I'd never be successful. Years later, I walked into their office as their new boss, and they had looked at each other. I was never the cool kid in high school. While others were partying, I was buried in books and coding late into the night. But instead of respect, I got ridicule. There was one group in particular, 3 guys who made my life miserable. They called me loser, knocked my lunch tray out of my hands, and spread rumors about me. I remember one of them smirking and saying, "Face it, you'll be working for us one day." At that time, I believed them. After graduation, I left that town behind. I poured everything into my passion. I thought I failed, more than once, but every insult, every shove, every cruel laugh, it fueled me. Eventually, I built something that worked. My app was successfully grouping up. Investors came calling. Within a few years, I wasn't just surviving, I was thriving. And then, fate handed me the ultimate opportunity. One day, I got a notice. A mid-sized company was struggling and looking to sell its shares. I looked closer and couldn't believe it. The company was run by the same bullies from high school, the ones who swore I'd never make it. I didn't hesitate. I had the money, I had the connections, so I bought their company. The day of the takeover, I walked into the office, suit on, contract in hand. They were all there, older, worn down, still carrying that smug attitude. Until they saw me. Their jaws dropped. One of them stammered, "Wait, you?" I smiled and repeated their words. "Yes, me. Remember when you said I'd be working for you? Funny how life works out. I own this company now, which means you work for me." The silence that followed was the sweetest sound I'd ever heard. I didn't fire them right away. No, that would have been too easy. I let them sit in meetings where they had to pitch ideas to me. I watched them sweat, knowing their fate rested in the hands of the loser they once mocked. Eventually, I restructured the company, and they were no longer needed. When I handed them their termination papers, I did say, "This is for high school." They thought they buried me, but they didn't know I was a seed. And when I grew into the one thing they feared most, their boss.